Today, we're just going to do a basic tomato sauce for your pasta. Very basic, you can use store cupboards, fresh ingredients. So all I'm going to use is an onion, red or white, whatever you've got to hand. Tomatoes, we can use any fresh tomatoes you've got that need using, or any store cupboard. I've got tin tomatoes, chopped. Cherry tomatoes, very good for the sweetness. And then, if you've got any passata as well. But we're just going to use 2 of those. Any herbs. Today we're going to use thyme. Could use rosemary, thyme, oregano, a little bit of garlic. Again, we could use powdered garlic if we need to go basic. And then, optional, we're just going to use a chopped chilli. So we'll start off 1 onion, white or red. Right, so we're going to start off the tomato sauce now. A little bit of oil. With a sprig of thyme, we're going to pull off the leaves. Drop them in, and they will pop. We're going to add our onion. And let that caramelise till you get a slight golden glow. We're going to add the chilli. This is completely optional. Right, so we give that a good 6 to 8 minutes, sweating it off. We're going to add some garlic, just to release the flavour. In we go with some chopped tomatoes. And then I've gone for some cherry tin tomatoes, which gives a nice sweetness. Give this a good stir. So that's been going for about 10 minutes now. So we're just going to add a little bit of water. 150 ml of water roundabouts, and that's your tomato sauce. We'll leave that to 30 to 40 minutes, just on a nice little simmer. And there we go, the start of our sauce.